everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding scientific assistant TA and scientist vacancies in STQC, Standardization Testing Quality Certification Directorate. We have two types of vacancies. One is scientist B, another one is scientific assistant A. This advertisement is available on these three websites. Eligibility criteria and pay scale and experience related information. So here first vacancy scientist B post. Okay, these are comes under group A category. So we have total 10 vacancies. In that unreserved category vacancies are 6 and EWS 1, OBC 3, and PWD candidates we have 1 vacancy. And for this required qualifications, that is MSc in electronics and or computer science, and Masters of Computer Applications, and Department of Electronics and Accreditation of Computer Courses B level. Otherwise ME, MTech, BE, BTech, Associate, AMIE, and the Graduate Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers in any of the following streams like Electronics, Electronics and Communication, Computer Science, Communication, Computers and Networking Security, and Computer Application, Software System, Information Technology and Management, Industrial Electronics, Instrumentation, Electronics and Instrumentation for Electronics. So these are the available streams. Okay, these people are eligible to this particular scientist B vacancies. Okay, age relaxation up to 30 years as on closing date. Okay, and selection process, written test followed by the interview. This is related to scientist B vacancies, and here stream wise classification also mentioned here. And next, when come to second vacancy type, that is scientific assistant A, which comes under group B category. We have total 39 vacancies. In that unreserved 24 vacancies, EWS 3, SC 2, and OBC 10. PWD we have 2 vacancies, right? So this is level 6 pay matrix. 35,400 is the basic and 1,12,400 is the gross, and net worth is around 45 to 50,000. Okay, for this required qualification, MSc in electronics, otherwise applied electronics, physics, computer science, or IT. Okay, and next MSc in any one or in combination of the following streams: electronics and electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, computers and networking security, software system, information technology, geographical information, otherwise design informatics and computer management and computational linguistics. Okay, and next third one is Master of Computer Applications, MCA, otherwise BE, BTech in any one or in combination of the following streams. Same streams they mentioned here also. And for this post, for these vacancies also, the required age limit is 30 years as on closing date, and the written for this selection process there is only written test, there is no inter for this scientific assistant A cadre, right? So and stream wise and category wise classification they mentioned here, so please kindly go through this. And next, age limit is standard age limit pattern, like SC/ST having 5 years age relaxation, OBC having 3 years relaxation, and persons with disabilities up to 10 years age relaxation is applicable, right? And next, change in the number of posts. So these are the tentative vacancies. These vacancies can be increases or decreases depending upon requirement, right? And the place of posting. Okay, so the person selected may be anywhere in India in the interest of the organization. This is the useful website in order to apply this particular notification. So apply Delhi NIELIT.gov.in. So this application starts from 2nd December 2020 to 31st December 2002. So here the application fees. Okay, so 400 per SC/ST PWD women candidates and 800 per application, that is for general and all other candidates, right? And next, scheme of written examination. This is very important. And here the written examination will be objective type, OMR based, consisting of questions from technical and the generic area. So technical part and aptitude part. Okay, so total duration of this particular exam is 3 hours. So there will be 120 objective type questions, which consists 65 questions from technical part and 35% of questions from generic area, that is general aptitude, right? So each and every question carries 1 mark. There will be negative marking also, that is 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. And the cutoff marks for qualifying written examination will be 50% for general and EWS candidates, and 40% for OBC candidates, and 30% for SC/ST PWD candidates. Okay, the cutoff marks specified would be applicable in overall marks, technical and generic combined, as well as for each section and area also. sectional cutoff also there, and combined cutoff also there. So stream-wise syllabus for the written exams for the post of scientific B and scientific assistant A is available at this particular website. So I will show you later, and I will attach those PDF files below of this particular video. Kindly go through that. And the generic area will be comprises of, that means general aptitude section will consist of logical, analytical reasoning capabilities, and quantitative and qualitative abilities, and general awareness and aptitude. So these are the sections which belongs to this generic area. These are the 12 centers allocated for this particular exam: Agartala, Bangalore, Calicut, Chennai, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Jammu, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai. Okay, and selection of the process. So for written, so they will allocate written weightage 85% and interview weightage 15%, and the 1:3 ratio they have to select for interview. This is regarding this particular recruitment. And if you want to apply a post also, like scientist B post as well as scientific assistant A post also, so you have to put 2 applications, you have to pay 2 application fees, and you have to specify your branch also. Like here they will mention 3 branches, like computer science and information technology and electronics, and you can apply in a specific branch. Okay, this one is stream-wise syllabus for recruitment exam for the post of scientist B. So this is computer science related syllabus. So first, engineering mathematics, this is common for all the streams, and computer science and computer engineering, digital logic and computer organization and architecture, analog and digital communication, and programming and data structures and algorithms, and theory of computation and compiler design and operating system, database and information systems and software engineering, and computer networks. So these are the subjects which are mentioned under computer science stream. And next, when it comes to information technology part, engineering mathematics is same, information technology, and this is also digital logic, computer programming, object oriented techniques, and data structures and algorithms, design and analysis of algorithms, information management system, operating system, computer architecture and organization, computer network, software engineering, internet web programming. So and when it comes to electronics part, so linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variables, probability and statistics, and numerical methods, which comes under engineering mathematics. And when it comes to electronics and communication part, electronic devices, analog circuits, digital circuits, signals and system, communications and digital communication system, control system, electromagnetics and networks, and microprocessors and microcontrollers, computer architecture and organization. So these are the topics which covered under the electronics stream. Okay, and when it comes to scientific assistant A syllabus, so this is stream-wise syllabus for recruitment exam for the post of scientific assistant A, computer science. So almost all same syllabus they mentioned here. If you want more updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, please comment on comment box and like the video. Thank you.